When it comes to maintaining the integrity of your vehicle's oil system, using the right engine oil drain plug gasket is essential. These high-quality gaskets are engineered to match the fit and performance of the original equipment, ensuring that your oil drain plug forms a perfect seal and restores the functionality of your vehicle's oil system. Built with durable materials, these gaskets are designed to provide long-lasting performance and can be relied upon during every oil change. What sets these gaskets apart is their exacting design, which adheres to precise sizes and standards. This ensures a reliable replacement every time, making your oil changes smooth and efficient. Say goodbye to the frustration of using poorly fitting gaskets that may lead to leaks or costly repairs. For those who've struggled with the wrong fit during oil changes, this gasket eliminates any worries. One satisfied customer shares their experience. "I was struggling with some others on Amazon that said they were for my Honda Odyssey, but were too big and didn't fit. Nothing worse than realizing in the middle of an oil change that you don't have the right drain plug washer. No worries with this one, and I highly recommend. With this gasket, you can avoid the headache of dealing with oil leaks, saving both time and money on repairs. To ensure the perfect fit for your vehicle, simply input your make, model, and trim level into the garage tool and get the correct part for your car. Click the link in the description to buy now and experience hassle-free oil changes. Don't forget to subscribe for more product insights and tips.